Today we are looking at the HMX Macchiato V2s. The OG Macchiatos were among the very first HMX switches out of the gate along with the Xinhais. At the time, they were one of the only near full travel options from HMX, and the POC stem absolutely held its own against Xinhais and Sunset Gleam V1s. To this day, I still have the OG soldered down in my Dolice. They've never left that build. Today we're going to run a full sound test with mods, followed by a back-to-back comparison against the OG Macchiatos, as well as my Just Buy 'em switch, the Yogurt S, to see how they stack up against the absolute best. Here come the sound tests. These switches are an absolute buy. I love them. If you're as happy with that sound profile as I am, smash that like button. Just like the other OG switches that have received V2 treatment, the Sunset Gleam V2s, the Clouds, the Yogurt S, which is now in its third revision, the modern HMX molds just clear all the old stuff. The V2s come in louder and way cleaner. The originals sound quite a bit thinner, which was typical for early HMX. There's also been a massive improvement in the mold regarding the thin pins and how they sit in the plate. The OGs were super loose and would easily pull up with the keycaps in hot swap builds. These V2s insert perfectly normal. They are not incredibly tight or a nightmare to insert like the Aperols. Sound-wise, these V2 hit clean, they hit loud. The OG is quite a bit softer and much more thin. The POC stem, just like on the Ash, make for a super clean spacebar. They're running just a tiny bit deeper than the Yogurt S. The Yogurt S is extremely hard to beat, but these Macchiatos V2s offer near full travel 3.8 millimeters. Speaking of space bars, this is the exact same assembly that the Calligraphy R2 sat in. There was some chatter in the Discord that perhaps the Calligraphy R2s were bottoming out due to its longer travel when compared to the Yogurt S. This test proves that was not the case at all, because the Macchiato V2s is also near full travel and the spacebar clears perfectly. The Calligraphy R2 is just that bad. Do not buy those. Those are trash switches. If we run a summer blind tournament, these Macchiatos are definitely going in. They're going to do incredibly well. If you are looking for a near perfect HMX Clack with almost full travel, the Macchiato V2 is the one to get. I've got no problems maining these alongside my Yogurt S's. These are an easy buy. Grab them over at Unikeys using my affiliate link in the description below, and don't forget to use my code. I love you all. Thank you so much for the support. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'm here to tell you right now.
Shut up and take my money.